Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do what we do best, which is another hair tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a curly afro. So I'm going to start with slightly stretched hair. I blow dried my hair because it takes a very long time for bantu knots to dry when they're made with damp hair. And I'm going to be using my moisturizer, which is the Mosara moisturizing milk. You can use any moisturizer that you have. And I'm going to detangle my hair. Make sure to detangle as much as possible because this increases the curl definition. And today I'm going to be using the Marini curling butter as my curl activator or my curl enhancer. You can use any product that you have. I will leave the details of the products in the description. So I'm going to show you the method that I'm going to use, which is curling or rather coiling my hair halfway and then letting one hand to continue with the coiling as the other one guides it to make a bantu knot, if that makes sense. So as you can see, one of my hands is guiding the other one to make the bantu knot as it is coiling the hair on itself. I feel like this is easier for people who have good hand coordination, and I prefer this one because for me it's faster and I do not lose the direction that my coils are going. And make sure when you reach your ends to tuck them in like that. And as you can see, that is what we came up with. Yes Lord, we did it. So So one more time, I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you another method, which is I'm just going to use the curling butter only because I feel like this portion of my hair is very moisturized because it's the last portion, and the last portion usually for some reason it usually has a bit of moisturizing. The products that you've been using have been smeared on it, so I don't feel like I need more products. So in this method, I am just going to curl or rather coil my hair all the way down first, from my roots to my ends, because I feel like for people who don't have very good hand coordination, this one will be better. So I wanted to show you both the methods so that you can choose whichever one you prefer. So when you reach the end, what you're going to do is you're going to let one hand do again the coiling as the other one is guiding the hair. Yeah, like I said, this one is slightly simpler, but it takes a long time because as you can see, I have to recoil because the hair is getting unraveled as I go. And that is the final result. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to let it air dry for a day, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. It's the next morning, and I am going to take down the bantu knots. I'm going to lather up my hands with some olive oil, and this is the part where you take as much caution as possible as when you're taking down your bantu knots, because if you do this in a hurried manner, you're going to spoil them and they're going to get frizzy. And I would suggest that you uncoil them in the opposite direction that you coil them, and they should look something like that when you finish. So I feel like when it came to the separating part, I took my time and I separated as I parted back the hair because I feel like that would give me the bounce back. And when you finish, it should look something as similar as what you're going to see next. So because of I like big hair, so I just preferred to pick out my hair and just to get a little bit of fluff, and this was my end result. I hope that you liked the tutorial. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram at Rachel_Ndanu and Twitter at the same handle. I will see you next week on Thursday. Always remember to be the better person, because an eye for an eye makes the world blind. And I'm just going to let you enjoy a little bit of a montage so that you can see the whole thing.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at